Hey, it's Jordan with Direct Liquidation. So I have a pallet here from Lowe's. We're here in the Lowe's Return Center in Whitestown, Indiana. And I'm gonna unbox this pallet. I'm gonna show you some of the great things you can get in a Lowe's Return Pallet and Lowe's Return Truckload. So first thing here, we have a really nice lighting fixture. This light fixture is worth about 250 bucks alone right there. So that's a big win. I'm gonna be really careful when I set this down, of course, because one of you lucky people will be getting this in your load. The next thing here, we have this Bluetooth fan and bath fan and Bluetooth speaker. Again, pretty nice item. I mean, this is about 150 bucks. And it looks like someone just took this back just because they didn't like it anymore. So here we have a Panasonic ventilating fan. It's a ventilator, but what really catches my eye is the return reason. The customer just didn't need it, which tells me that a lot of this stuff is in really good condition and it's not damaged. So going through this load, I'm gonna see a lot of things like this Greenwork portable electric pressure washer that's gonna be in super good condition that someone returned not because it was faulty, just because they didn't need the item, like this. Here, still in the box. I mean, this is about a $60 set. Here, these lights here are about 30 bucks. They look in good condition. Of course, you want to make sure you have a sump pump, make sure that your basement doesn't flood, or whatever else you're going to use it for, whatever other utility. But of course, it's about a $50 pump. It's in good condition as well. Got another ceiling fan here as well. See, I'll set that there. It's got string lights to make sure that your backyard or your front yard is really nice. Now we've got an assortment of other lawn equipment in here on top of the pressure washer. We've got a rug. Rugs sell very well, of course, because even this runner can't be damaged. Looks clean. I don't see any dirt or any pet hair. So, I mean, this is a really good resale item here. I mean, you can't go wrong with rugs on resale. And most people say that they sell very well. It's hard when you're in a warehouse, it's super loud. But here from American Standard, we have a $250 faucet. And everything's there, it's in really good condition. So I'll make sure I close this back up to make sure it goes on to its new home. All right, so everyone is always asking about tools. Okay, it's a little hard to get this one out, but I got it. And of course, you're gonna get a lot of tools throughout these home improvement loads. They're gonna be mixed and scattered throughout the load, high value, low value. You're gonna get items like a DeWalt table saw that we have right here, or this Cobalt saw right here, this miter saw that we have back here, all the way to smaller items like this Craftsman heat gun. So it's a mixed bag when you're buying the Lowe's trucks, but already this pallet looks like a winner. You get 26 of these and you're good to go. You're ready to buy your next truck or buy two even. I like it. I really just like seeing everything that you can find and how many ways there are to make money by buying these type of truckloads and these type of pallets. I mean, right here alone, you've already covered your cost for this pallet. Everything else is pure profit. All right, as you can see by this pallet right here, on average, when you're buying a Lowe's truckload for 3,500 bucks, you're gonna pay around 200 bucks a pallet once you add in freight costs. So right here, you've already made your money back on this pallet. Now, if you've got 20 to 26 of these, you've already covered your costs on the truck and you're making profit. You don't have to get 100% tools. The tools are mixed in throughout the load. You've got some Craftsman, you've got some DeWalt, you've got some more Craftsman Black & Decker, but all of these other items, all these other home improvement items are still money makers, whether it's a Bluetooth speaker, all the way up to a ceiling fan, to a $200 faucet, to a new shower set, for outdoor lighting, to ventilation fans, to indoor lighting, to utility pumps, to pressure washers, to garden hoses and everything in between. You know, this load can really bring you a good return. Of course, let's not forget the rugs. We all love rugs. Why? Because they can't be broken. So that's an easy sale right there. It's not really hard to sell a rug. So that's good money. And again, even this Craftsman rake is in really good condition as well too. Hey, it's fall time, there's a lot of leaves falling. So hey, once you sell everything, you can keep that for yourself and take care of the yard. So that's it for this pallet right here. This is Jordan with Direct Liquidation. I'll catch you on the next truck.